Modern American kitchen.
Host speaking to camera. Most kitchen gadgets on Amazon look amazing, but many of them don't actually work. Today, I'll show you 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that really make cooking easier. Text on screen. 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that actually work.
Close-up of vegetable chopper on kitchen counter.
Host places onion and tomato inside, presses the lid.
Perfect diced vegetables appear. Split screen before, after.
This vegetable chopper can save you a lot of time if you cook every day.
A close-up of coffee cup milk. Frother spinning inside milk. Milk turns into thick foam.
Host pours foam into coffee. If you love coffee, this small gadget can turn your normal coffee into cafe-style coffee in seconds. Host adds strawberries, banana, and milk to a portable blender, presses button.
Smoothie blending in transparent blender.
Host drinks smoothie.
Text, portable blender. Make smoothies anywhere.
Host places garlic clove into garlic press, presses it.
Perfect minced garlic comes out.
No more sticky garlic on your hands.
Close-up of digital kitchen scale.
Host places flour bowl.
Numbers appear on screen.
This tool helps you measure ingredients perfectly. Host sprays olive oil on frying pan.
Slow motion oil mist. Text overlay. Control your oil easily.
Host uses lint remover on kitchen towel.
Lint disappears. Before, after comparison. Sink area messy.
Host installs organizer.
Sponges and soap neatly arranged. Text keep your sink clean and organized. Eggs placed inside egg cooker. Steam rising.
Host opens lid.
Perfect boiled eggs.
Host slides measurement indicator on an adjustable measuring spoon.
Measures sugar and spices. Text overlay. 1 spoon, multiple measurements.
Host standing in kitchen. If you want to check out these gadgets, you can find all the links in the description below. And if you enjoy useful gadgets like these, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more amazing finds. End screen with text. Thanks for watching.